Nellore Rural Assembly constituency is a constituency of the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly in India. It is one of 10 constituencies in the Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh, as per the Delimitation Orders, 2008. The constituency covers Nellore mandal, part, Golla, Kandukur, Sajjapuram, Vellanti, Kandamur, Upputur, South Mopur, Mogallapalem, Mattempadu, Amancherla, Mannavarappadu, Mulumudi, Devarapalem, Pottepalem, Akkacheruvupadu, Ogurupadu, Ambapuram, Donthali, Buja Nellore Rural, Kallurpalle Rural, Kanuparthipadu, Allipuram Rural, Gudipallipadu, Akkacheruvupadu, Devarapalem, Vellanti, Gudipallipadu, Kakupalle-I, Kakupalle-II, Mattempadu, and Penubadi villages. Nellore mandal, M+OG, part, Nellore, M, Ward number 16 to 26, 29 and 30, Allipuram, OG, part, Ward number 45, Kallurpalle, OG, part, Ward number 46, Buja Nellore, OG, part, Ward number 47, Nellore, Bit.1, OG, Ward number 48. Overview. It is part of the Nellore Lok Sabha constituency along with another 6 Vidhan Sabha segments, namely, Kandukur in Prakasam district, Kavalli, Atmakur, Kovuru, Nellore city and Udayagiri in Nellore district. Members of Legislative Assembly. 2004 Annam Vivekananda Reddy, Indian National Congress. 2009 Annam Vivekananda Reddy, Indian National Congress. 2014 Kotam Reddy Sridhar Reddy, YSR Congress Party. Election results. Assembly elections 2009. Assembly elections 2014. List of constituencies of Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly.